Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, collectives. Okay, so gawa tayo ng general reading. Okay, so there's no zodiac sign needed. Okay, so yeah, syempre, kung ano ba ang makikita natin, babasahin ko lang po lahat. Okay, this is general. Okay, kung may specific, babanggitin ko. Okay, anyway, so yeah. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And ano pa ba? Yeah, yung ating mga protection from evil eye, love bracelet, yung ating grantor, and yung ating new item for cleansing. Yeah, kung may mga tanong po tungkol doon, message lang po, ha? Okay, dito sa atin pong FB page. Okay, na Fias Tarot. And if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang po kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay, magme-message. So, yeah, let's start, collectives, your general reading. Okay. Let's see. Hanggang end ng October. Okay, hanggang end po ng October to. So, hanggat maaari, ayoko mag-timeless because for me, timeless is useless. Oh, 'di ba? Okay. Yeah. Kung walang sasabihing day or walang sasabihing range ng month or what, yeah. Hanggang kailan mo hihintayin, no? Anyway. Okay. Collectives, ano bang meron? So, kung ano lang po, ang aking makikita. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, the Tower in reversed. Judgment. Wow, the Fool in reverse. Puro major arcana. So there's this a lot na pwedeng mangyari. Okay, and yes, this is like big changes, big opportunities, may chance nang meron ding mga i-avoid, may mga i-cut off. Okay, kahit sabihin natin nakakatakot tong gawin, nakakatakot kung ano magiging resulta nito. Anyway, ang nakikita ko is, yes, kailangan mong gawin yon, pero yun nga lang, hindi ko alam kung makikig-go with the flow ka, with the universe, or hindi ko malaman kung ano magiging decision mo pag dumating to. Okay? Yeah, see? A lot. 7 of Cups. The Empress in reverse. Okay. May mga i-end. Some of you, nakikita ko po na merong mga babaguhin pagdating sa pananamit, sa looks. Okay? May mga gagawin. Some of you, meron kayong mga kailangang i-avoid na, or sabihin natin, may mga i-avoid kayo na mga energy na nagbibigay ng confusion, na nagbibigay ng draining energy. Okay? So, yeah, the 2 of Wands. Some of you may chance ng travel bago mag-end ng October. Okay? Pero I don't know kung anong gagawin mo. I-reject mo ba or what? Okay? So, someone, meron din ditong a person na pwedeng nasa malayo, biglang darating. Okay? Or something lang na pwedeng may magre-reach out. Okay? I don't wanna be specific doon sa part na yun, pero yeah, there's this person na pwedeng mag-reach out sa'yo bago mag-end ang October. Okay? So, masyadong busy. Maraming gawain, sa totoo lang, na parang mapapabayaan mo na yung sarili mo. So I think kaya ganun, may kailangang baguhin. I don't know if this is talking about your routine, kung ano man ang ginagawa mo everyday, mayroon kailangang baguhin para magkaroon din ng pagbabago pagdating sa frequency mo. Okay? Because if you're stuck in a cycle, if you're stuck in a routine, then your frequency is stuck rin. Okay, tandaan yun. Kailangan nyo may babaguhin. Sa simula pa lang, pagising mo pa lang, dapat doon may binago ka na. Okay, may mga babaguhin in general. Okay? Yun nga lang, andun yung takot, nandun yung mga pangamba, doubts, what ifs. Okay? Mga shoulda, coulda, woulda. Okay? So, some of you, if you're pregnant, okay, this is specific. If you're watching right now and you're pregnant, you have to rest. Okay? You have to rest. Yeah. Masyadong pagod yung katawan mo. Okay? So, yun ang nakukuha ko pagdating sa, in general. So, tingnan natin. Okay? Punta naman tayo about love in general. So, parang gusto kong gumamit ng ibang cards. Ano bang pwedeng gamitin? Hang on. Wait lang po, ha? Okay, so let's see in general naman pagdating sa love, okay? So, anong meron in general when it comes to love for the collectives? Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Anong meron pagdating naman sa love para sa mga collectives? Okay. 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Let's see. The Chariot. Okay, some of you might be dealing with a Cancerian. Okay, so we have here Chariot, 6 of Pentacles, the 8 of Cups, the Fool, the Empress, the Devil in reverse. So, all about pakikipagbalikan. Ang nakikita ko rito, ang dami. Okay, energy ng past. Okay, some of you may chance rito ng new connection na darating bago mag-end ang October. Okay? Pero nandun ka sa pag-iisip ng i-accept ko ba or i-reject ko ba? Something like that. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, some of you, okay, yung mga may kakayanan pang magbuntis at makabuntis. So, yes, nakakita ko ng pregnancy here. Okay, I think some of you may energy rito ng second child. Okay, second pregnancy maybe. Okay, so there's this another chance. Some of you, kung may nangyaring hindi okay sa past, no, pagdating sa pregnancy. Anyway, some of you, okay, so we have here 6 of Pentacles, the Empress. Okay, nandun yung energy na parang ang daming magbibigay ng compliments, ang daming magbibigay ng mga gandang energies pagdating sa'yo. Okay, I don't know, kasi some of you may mga mapapansin sa inyong pagbabago. Okay, mga babae, mga palalaki, energy ng parang, ay, ang ganda. Ay, yeah, about compliments. Okay, so I'm seeing here na marami ang gustong kumonek sa'yo, gustong parang i-approach ka, something like that. Okay, so ang nakuha ko din naman, iba sa inyo, if you're single parent, okay, meron kang mga responsibilities, yung mga gustong kumonek sa'yo, nakikita ko is they're feeling intimidated. Okay, yeah, there's doubts. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, they're afraid. They're afraid to connect. Okay, they're afraid to approach you. Okay, so maybe some of you may chance rin ng sa workplace. Okay, I think this is like a workplace scenario. Okay, pero yeah, merong mga tao na gustong kumonek sa'yo romantically. Okay, meron ding energy ng past person na gusto nga na makipagbalikan. Pwedeng water sign, pwedeng Capricorn. Okay, ang daming, I don't know yung iba sa inyo may chance na bago mag-end ang October, nandun yung energy na merong babalik at merong new person. So, magkakasabay. Okay, so kaya magkakaroon ka ng pagpili. Okay, si past ba or itong new? Okay, so yeah, be careful at talaga yung mga hindi pa handa na magkaroon ng mini you. Okay, ano po yung mini you, baby? Yung mga hindi pa handa, kasi I'm seeing here sex. Okay, unprotected. Okay, unprotected. Yep. Okay. So, I don't know if this is talking about energy ng makeup sex lang. Okay? They just want makeup sex. They just want na magkaroon ng parang ganon. Okay? Meron makikipagayos. There's this past person still confused whether makipagayos sa'yo or hindi. Okay? Andun yung energy na hindi pa rin siya naka-move on sa'yo. Pwedeng Cancer, Earth sign, and water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? Ano tong Six of Pentacles? The Page of Cups, Universe. Maybe they're afraid na i-express kung ano man yung kanilang emosyon, or they're afraid of being rejected, parang ganyan. Some of you, iniintay ka na lang nito na ikaw yung gumawa ng action towards them. Some of you, you're manifesting a new connection, and it will come. Okay, bago mag-end ang October. Again, we don't say timeless. Okay? Ayoko. Because timeless is useless. Ha? Okay? So, there. Yun lang ang aking nakikita para sa inyong collectives. Okay? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!